Good morning and welcome once again to the Pennine Way, more specifically just north, very slightly north of the legendary Horny Steed Farm. I'm here with Steph and Kinder. We set off from Bellingham this morning. Last night we camped in a van near Wark. I'll get shot for the pronunciation, but it was stupendous. It was a fantastic evening and we woke up to a beautiful sunrise this morning. So tranquil by the river there. But today's aim, as the Montane Summer Spine Challenger North is only about 3 weeks away now, nail biting time, we're on another recce. So Bellingham to Hadrian's Wall and back. That's the plan. It's around about 40 kilometers and Kinder's about to drag me over a wall. So, as I was saying, this is the legendary Horny Steed Farm, which is a must stop on the Pennine Way and especially on the Spine.
Definitely.
We're heading up into the woods now. It's be a nice section that zigzags through. And I know in winter on the Spine there was a diversion here. There is no diversion now, I'm led to believe. So we just follow the course of the Pennine Way as per. Yep, we're going to be meandering through beautiful pine woodland. It's going to be fantastic. And oh, okay. So that's changed. Such is life. This has just reminded me when my friends and I first walked the Pennine Way. One of the final bits from Kinlochleven over to Fort William, before you drop into Glen Nevis, there was a huge pine plantation. This was like early 2000s, and we marched through there in the pouring rain. It was awful. But still, when we went back, it had all been cleared and it just made the route feel totally different. You weren't so hemmed in. Not that I'm for chopping trees down, definitely not, but this is managed woodland, I guess. It's the same over towards Burness. Here we are, right in the distance. The mighty Roman wall. I mean, you're really not going to be able to see it now, but there is, just there, Cross Fell. Great Dun Fell, Little Dun Fell that we were on a couple of weeks ago, is it, Steph?
Yeah.
Something like that, 2 weeks ago?
2, 3.
2, 3, I can't remember now, but we were there. Great weekend in Dufton. I've not edited that video yet either. What a vista. So we're just over 3 hours now, and
Yeah.
I mean, he sounds like he's been smoking 20 cigarettes a day, but yeah, we're almost at the wall, but this is our cut-off point because we don't want him to be out too long. So we've done about 18k, something like that, just over 18k. So we're gonna refresh, take on some snacks and make sure Kinder doesn't choke to death and then head back north. And I quite fancy a dip in the river when we get back to Wark later on. say that now, but if it's cold and breezy, then I might change my mind. So in the centre there is Horney Steed Farm again. We're almost back, and from this angle you can't see the dip that you drop down into. So it always feels like a bit of a slog as you come out of that little valley there, and then you are treated with the warm welcome at Horney Steeds though, so it's worth it. You can see the dip coming into view now in between here and Horney Steed. Lush and tranquil. Time to climb. And we drink, Kins. I'm sure this will be a welcome sight in just over 3 weeks' time. You can wait there, mate. Good boy, almost. Chasing you down the field, Kins. This way, Kins. Come on. We're about 30 kilometres in now, so another 6k to go, is it, you think?
Just over.
Yeah. And we're doing the final little bit of road section here before we head down into the valley again and climb back up to the transmitter tower before we roll down towards Bellingham again. It's been a great day. Thankful for some of this cloud cover. It's quite warm and the breeze has been excellent. 31k. Kinder's ready for a paddle. There is a perfectly good bridge up there that we thought we'd come down this way. All right, Kins. Oh, yeah. Lovely, absolutely lovely, mate. Down the hill to Bellingham now. We're almost back in Bellingham now, about a k&a-half out, but we're about to pass the forestry centre, but in a moment the Brown Rig lodges and the campsite there. So the lodges are the checkpoint for the summer spine and winter spine. So by the time we get here, we'll be ready for some food and maybe a bit of a sleep before the final push over towards Burness and then the mighty Cheviots. It's going to be a great adventure. I'm really looking forward to it. I was at the Bellingham checkpoint in the final few moments before cut-off during the winter spine, and yeah, it was a frantic moment there with the last like 6 or 7 runners, getting them out the door before the cut-off, and a lot of them made it. Time to buy some snacks. Just for the record, there's some public toilets just there. There's the carp. And on the side of the building there's a water tap to fill bottles up with. You may not need it if you stopped at the checkpoint, but if you're doing the Pennine Way, then a way outside of spine time, then yeah, useful. No. A work in progress. Solar's working well nowadays. Good lad, Kins. Good lad. Well done. Tight squeeze on this bridge here at Wark. Here we are, back at the park up. Look how much sap has come off the trees. You want to go for a dip, don't you, mate? In. Go on, kids. Alright, Kinder's just seen a fish jump out of the water. Right, back this way, mate. Come on. Oxygen. You can breathe oxygen, not water, mate. Food time. What a view from a camp. Someone's tired. Good morning and welcome back to Northumberland and the Pennine Way. We had another great evening down at Wark last night. So relaxed, drinking a few celebratory non-alcoholic beers by the river there, and this morning Steph is going to run from Bellingham to where the van is there. Just south of our position is Lord's Shore, so it's around about 10k out of Bellingham. Here's Kinder. We're heading, so she doesn't have to do an out and back, Kinder and I leaving the van there for a moment, and we're going to head up to the monument at Paddon Hill or Payden Hill. It's only a short walk, but yeah, it's been a really great couple of days. That spot that we found via the Park for Night app was just perfect. Absolutely amazing. Nice and quiet. Friendly locals. Just over the bridge there's shops, pubs and public toilet if you need it. Thankfully we've got our own self-contained facilities, but all good. What a day. Go on, lad, go on. We've just turned off the Pennine Way now, and I'm heading up to the monument. I wanted to come to this bit now because we should get, on a day like today, amazing views of the Cheviot and almost the final goal of a Pennine Way wayfarer. Get to the Cheviot, and then apart from the Shill and various other little bits, it's mostly downhill from there. Kins, watch out. Did you touch the monument or the cairn, Kins? Kins, up, up, up. Come on, up. That's it. Yeah, you've touched it. Well done. It's that time of year again. Cotton grass season. Love it. We've just passed the van again, and we're going to do an out and back south to meet Steph, I think, toward Lord's Shore. Easy going on the flagstones here. Come on, Kins. Good lad. There she is. Just there. Where is she? Where's Mum? Now he's at her. And guess who, in the last 50 metres before the van, has just thrown himself into a bog? Kins, no, we're stopping now, mate. We're done. Come on. Bog dog.
Look how boggy that is. Do you just sit there and hide in the bushes?
And that, my friends, is that. It's been a really great weekend. It's just after lunchtime now, but Kinder's got a very busy social calendar. He's got sniffer dog training in Sheffield at about 5 o'clock, so we've got 3.5 hours to get back there, which is all good. Okay, so next weekend we've got another weekend recce as well, so I'm guessing we're probably going to go to somewhere like Tan Hill, do a little section there. Steph's not done Tan Hill to God's Bridge and then Middleton and Teesdale, so we'll do something in that sort of area, but not long now. Looking forward to the Montane Summer Spine Challenger North. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. We'll speak to you all again very soon. Bye for now.